Hi friends. It is a beautiful day. I hope you're having a wonderful day. The sun is shining here and I love the sun. I thrive in the sun. So I know it's gonna be a wonderful day. I am actually on my way to my chiropractor to get an adjustment. I've been having some issues with my neck and my back, and I've had back issues for like over 10 years. So I have an old injury and that causes issues. It acts up every now and then. And so I've been going to the chiropractor for a long time. But recently, I've also been having it shoot into my neck and into my head, and that's been really tough, really frustrating. So I'm going to get an adjustment. This chiropractor is new to me. She's great, though. I've been to her once, but my old one that I had for years retired probably about 2.5 months ago. So I'm hoping that she can help me and that some of the work she does will help like all the things that I've been going through, because I've been going through a number of health issues over the last like 2.5 months. So I'm hoping this will help it too a bit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about it. Even though I've been to the chiropractor so many times before, I'm nervous because, I've been talking to like my GP and a neurologist and everything. And, everyone's like, we don't recommend getting adjustments, at least not like the manual one, not doing it that way. Not having your chiropractor do manual adjustments because it's not natural for the body. And, so they've told me like a bunch of things that have been kind of scary. And I'm like, oh, okay. Which, I understand. I appreciate their advice. I appreciate what they have to say, of course. They're medical professionals, so I listen. But I also know that this has been really good for me and my body, and it's really helped me over the years. So there's also that thing that like kind of, the tug that's like, am I doing something that's harmful, but it feels so good on my body and it helps me feel better. So with that being said, I'm going just to see what we can do, but just, a disclaimer on this all, if you're someone who's like, oh, I want to try Chiro, and you're hearing me talk about it right now and you're like, oh, I'm interested in that. That's awesome. But don't obviously take what I'm saying because, I'm not a medical professional. So talk to your doctors, ask your GP, talk to whoever you need to talk to and get their opinion on it, because everybody's body is different. And so I wouldn't want you to do something that, isn't okay for you and your needs. I've also done enough testings and scans that my chiropractor could see what is going on inside my body and what what will work, or what she knows that I'm healthy enough that she can do certain things. So be certain to check in on that and don't just jump into it if you've never done it. But if you have done it, how is it for you? Do you feel better? Is it something that I have a friend that does it like pretty much once a week? She's there getting her adjustments done. So yeah, if that's something you do, let me know. So that's it. I'm gonna go and get that done, and then I will let you know how it all went.
I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah.
So I got my adjustment done and it was great. I feel amazing, as I always do after my adjustment. So feel really good. And I'm hoping to continue and do some more and hope that that helps my neck and my back a bit, and hopefully helps all the other stuff that's been going on in the last like few months. So it was fantastic. Again, if you're thinking about going to a chiropractor, if you've never been before, just make sure that you get all the information first and talk to your doctor and your GP and find out what is best for you, because I don't want you to do anything that you shouldn't do to your body, right? And I'm not a medical professional, so I'm just telling you what I've done. I'm not telling you to do it. Okay, so I am walking now and I'm enjoying the beautiful weather. It's fantastic out here. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the day.
Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.